When they start Utando Nestembo, Makumalo and Mangwabe are always begging Mayeni and Macele every time. They have got a family trip. So Makumalo was the one who started to choose the room before Mayeni. Mayeni saw that Makumalo's room have got bathroom. Mayeni's room doesn't have a bathroom. And she told Makumalo, we have to exchange the room, Makumalo to take Mayeni's room because Mayeni you've got kids. She want Makumalo's room because you've got bathroom, those kids to shower. So Makumalo at that time she doesn't understand well, but they have got a conversation with Mangwawe and they go back to Mayeni again and say, Mayeni, you can take my room. But Mayeni was already angry. She doesn't want anything to do on that issue. But when they are at dinner, Musamseleku was trying to fix the problem. But Mayeni was already angry. Even Macele said to Musamseleku, I don't want to come to family trip again because there is an issue between Macele and Mangwawe. When those people, they arrive, people who started choose rooms is Makumalo and Mangwawe, and they hate it, the two of them. Other people, they can take advantage because Mayeni and Macele, they take advantage that Makumalo and Mangwabe, they came after them. They want to choose first. Everything is put on the table. They want them first. Even we saw it on their wedding because the Mayeni and Macele are those people who started renew vows with Musamseleku, but Musamseleku end with Makumalo. Mangwabe doesn't want to have umembezo because Mangwabe saw that Mayeni and Macele, they want them first every time. Everything they have to be favored. Musamseleku have to favor them before Makumalo and Mangwabe. So Makumalo and Mangwabe, they saw it that they are not being treated fair with the Musamseleku. Everything Musamseleku, he can start with Mayeni and Macele. That's why they are angry. Why Makumalo and Mangwabe, they started to choose good rooms. Macele was angry because Mangwabe told Macele that I don't want this room because I don't want to sleep in a single bed. Mangwabe was the one who started to choose the room. Maybe Macele was expecting that Mangwabe can say, okay, Macele can take it, like Mayeni. When Mayeni said something to Makumalo have to hurry, or she looks like she is desperate. You understand? I don't understand Istembu, guys. You are like a slave to someone. Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are like slaves to Mayeni and Macele, what I saw. But that's why you saw even Makumalo doesn't want anything. Now, if they are angry, Macele is angry or what, she doesn't want anything or to beg anyone. And now is the time Makwela have to beg to Mangwabe and Makumalo. Mangwabe and Makumalo, they have to feel the pain if they understand how Macele and Mayeni, the way they're being treated, like something like that, like maybe those people bring themselves on Seleku's family or something. Understand? It's the way Makwela now she is going through. Mangwabe have to think when she was a Musamseleku's girlfriend. You understand it? Musamseleku bring Mangwabe and they are not understanding each other with Mayeni. But Mayeni end up accept them, but she was not accept them with her whole heart. They are like slaves. Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are like slaves to Mayeni and Macele. They have to tolerate everything they say. And Mangwabe have to feel the way Makwela is like a slave to them now. Musamseleku can tell Makwela that Makumalo says stop posting on social media, what. It's not good because they have to think the way Macele and Mayeni, the way they are being treated them. You know, sometimes they are always begging, guys. Mangwabe and Makumalo are always begging. Mayeni, especially Mayeni, can became angry. Even Macele most of the time can say what she want to say on the table and say, I didn't marry someone's husband. You understand? What she does, she trying to mean. Macele, she say she doesn't marry someone's husband on the table. And Musamseleku allow it again.